Today we're gonna make a new trap. You can see here, I made this new trap. Not that trap, but that trap. That's a crawfish. We're also going to put in extra lots of rocks. And because crayfish love rocks and sand. Now it's time to make our trap. So first you need a plastic bottle or something that you have at home and scissors. Your bottle of water needs to be empty. Just 1 second. When your bottle is empty, you take off the lid because you don't need that. Then you're going to cut the bottle in 2 pieces. Tell your mom or dad to help you cut it, like my dad helped me cut it, and the rest you can do yourself. So first you got to find the crack and cut around it. And then when you're finished, you have that. And then you get the top, put it in like that. So then you gotta put that in. So the animal crawls in from here. It can get in, but it's hard to get it out. So tell your mom and dad to help you poke the holes at the bottom because it's really tricky. So bait helps the creature find the trap and get it. They can't help themselves. But to get in, get trapped, use cat food or dog food. We use both. See? Pull the top off and then put the dog food and cat food in. We put in a handful. You can put in a little less. Then after you get to bait in, you close the top. And then it's time to put it in the water. Now finding a place to put your trap. You also have to look where there's rocks and high water. To put it in slow water because in fast water it'll get blown away. This looks like a good place. It has a little deep and has lots of rocks. So this looks like a perfect place. So I'm putting rocks over the trap so it doesn't like blow away in the water. That's how you set a crawfish trap. So we just wait a few minutes. Every couple hours you can check it. You never know when something will get in there. It might die if it runs out of food. Yeah.
Nothing?
Yep. So we're going to check our other trap. So let's take off the rocks like we did the other one. And pull it up. And look inside. Nothing. Yeah, we hope the last one has a creature in it. So let's just hope.
What are you going to look out for?
Snakes and yellow jackets. Anything? Let's hope. Nope. Nothing. So far, it didn't work. So, not what we were looking for, but hopefully we'll get one next time. There's 2 reasons that it didn't work. Either that we checked it too early, or the food lost its smell when it was in the water too long. One thing that we can do to be successful tomorrow, we have to put fresh dog food in each one and see if that's the problem, or put in higher water and see if that's the problem. If you live close to water, you can make your own trap. How it goes at the comments below. Don't forget to check back next week for Mountain Wildlings Wednesday. That's it for this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ready?
Mom, spider. Onion.
Thanks.
That's the word.